Once you have your property set up, you can enter your crop estimate with the commodities, varieties and delivery sites for each paddock. This information syncs to your CDF app to make your harvest deliveries easier and ensures your staff and contractors have the right information when delivering grain. If you have multiple accounts, select the right account from the drop-down options. You will need to submit an estimate for each account and property if you intend to make deliveries at harvest. Select the property to display your paddocks. Select the commodity, variety and delivery site. Then activate the paint button so you can start painting your paddocks on the map or in the list. Change your commodity, variety and site as needed and continue painting your paddocks. If you have sown multiple varieties in a single paddock, simply select the second commodity or variety, paint the paddock and update the information. While you can add up to 3 commodities or varieties in a single paddock, we recommend creating individual paddocks unless you have blended the varieties during seeding. This will make it easier when you come to deliver your grain at harvest. If you have paddocks that you are cropping but not delivering, select Not Delivering under the Site options. Or, if you have paddocks that you are not cropping, select the Not Cropping option to paint the paddocks. You can see your progress under the property header, and once completed, you can review a summary of your estimates by commodity and adjust hectares as needed. You may like to do this if you plan to keep seed on farm or deliver elsewhere. You can also download a property summary report with your paddocks, commodities and varieties. This can be useful to provide your staff and contractors at harvest so they know where your paddocks are and what has been sown in them when delivering. You can update your estimates at any time as your season progresses and if anything changes, and we encourage you to do this to keep your information up to date and ready for harvest. Don't forget to download the user guide for detailed step-by-step instructions.